You might probably have installed LineageOS on your device maybe at least once in your life. The custom ROM is quite minimal and simple one. But after installing some amazing modules, this custom ROM will be the perfect option for you in most of the cases you can say. This one is LineageOS latest version right now currently, which is having April security patch based on Android 16 QPR2. So I have rooted my device. If you install LineageOS, the first thing which you have to do is you have to root your device firstly, because after root you can do a lot of things and that is actually required. So if you want to use your custom ROM like a good option, then yes, root your device. You can use Magisk or anything else. Then the next thing is the default launcher is not that great. I'm talking about Trebuchet launcher, but I'm using a different launcher named as Infinity X launcher. The launcher I am sharing you right now in this one, it is not like it will work with every LineageOS version, but it will work with Android 16 QPR2, which is currently the latest one. But if you're using any old version, you can try out different launchers. The main thing is after root, you can change the launcher very easily with all the including gestures and recents panel and so on. The next thing is install this LSPosed app, which is very useful in many scenarios. You can install some modules and so on. And by the way, the version I'm using in this case, it is having liquid glass UI, floating bar and so on. So it's completely up to you if you want to use this version or not. The next one is related to Google Photos. In a lot of custom ROMs, we have Google's photo spoofing available, but in LineageOS, we do not have that by default. But it's not that difficult. What you have to do is you just have to install that module, which I will provide you the link in the description for that module to fix Google Photos, and you'll get unlimited photo storage for sure. The next one is currently the latest one, not actually the latest one, but it will not be available for many devices. But LineageOS, actually, it is working fine with LineageOS. You can say I'm talking about installer X Revived. It's available as a module now. And what you can do is you can fix the default installer. It's completely up to you. It is not related to any feature. It is a function based, or you can say it is a feature. It is actually a customization kind of thing. So if you love customization, you can try out that installer also. The next thing is regarding lock screen. This is also related to customization thing, but to be very honest with you, the lock screen is one of the main things. If you use your device for the long time, you want to customize your lock screen, and having a custom lock screen clock makes sense. And if you want to enable lock screen clocks, custom lock screen clocks, we have this option available named as Iconify, which has these features. That is just one of the examples. You can use Iconify, but Iconify has a lot of other features and customizations which you can go and explore. Including these things, you can install HLU. What's this for? This is for some ADB commands, so you don't need PC for that. You can use Shizuku also to explore, to enable some other options which are not enabled by default. That is also one of the things. And obviously the main thing is Magisk. You can also use kernel SU and so on. Remember one thing in this case, I have not talked about play integrity kind of things, because that's completely optional. If you want to use it, you can. That's not compulsory. If you don't want to use it, you can skip that thing. Although passing play integrity is not as easy as you think, but that's the reality. This is it. These were things just wanted to let you know. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.